Hello, this is Mr. Knowles, and this is a brief explanation or example about the energy and motion project that we're working on for our classroom. So I'm zooming in on a marble that I just rolled down my medium length ramp. Let me walk over there and show you. So I constructed 3 different length of ramps. I got a short one, a medium length one, and then a longer one. And basically what I did is I took paper towel rolls and tubes of different lengths and cut them in half, and I taped some of them and some of them I didn't. I just kind of experimented and came up with a short one, a medium one, and a longer one. And I had this egg carton, I put it upside down, I trimmed the edges, and I put a couple books on top just to weigh it down. And you'll notice that all of the ramps are the same height. That's really important. So the height of the ramps are the same. And the only thing different, the only variable, is the length of the ramp. And I had to find a place to roll the marbles, and I started in my living room, but we have such a smooth floor that the marbles would hit the walls, so I had to improvise and find a different method. So what I did is I actually moved the ramp into my kitchen so I had more room. So the marbles start on the ramps that are in the kitchen, and then they have more room to roll out of the kitchen and into my living room. And I just rolled one. I've been working on this for a little bit. So I rolled the marble, and then I recorded the length that it rolled, or the distance that it rolled. And again, you're measuring from the bottom of the ramp. So notice I started my tape measure at the bottom. And I'm lucky, I actually have 2 choices of how I can measure. I can record the distance in inches, which is the top 1, 2, 3 inches, or the bottom's actually in centimeters. So I'm going to choose centimeters for my unit of measure. You might not have that option, but hopefully you have at least inches. Otherwise you're gonna have to get really creative. So I just rolled the marble, and then I put this tape measure down. This is my medium length ramp. And I'm gonna see where this marble stopped at. And I'm going to say that it stopped at that 33, but that's not 33 centimeters. I'm gonna go back here and go, oh, that's 3 meters and 33 centimeters, or altogether that's 333 centimeters. And if you're doing inches, I'm lucky because the tops actually does inches for you. Some of you might just have like foot indicators, so you'll have to know that there's 12 inches in a foot and go from there. You might need an adult's help with that, but maybe not. So I'm gonna zoom out, and again it was 333. And I have a dry erase board at home, so I'm gonna put, for trial 1, for the medium ramp, 333. Like that. And you'll see that I already did my 3 trials for the short ramp, and my first and second one are very different. I noticed that I had a couple of marble rolls where my floors are not totally level, and they would curve and roll into a certain location at times. So I had to do like a redo, a start over for a couple of the marble rolls to get a straighter roll. You might need to do that too. I was hoping to roll the marble outside, but it's really windy and cold today. Otherwise, I would have chose to go out in my driveway and do this, which you're more than welcome to do if you want to go outside and do this. So I have 2 more trials for the medium ramp, and then I'll get to the long one, and I will post my results on Flipgrid just like you will. I hope this example helps you out, and I hope that this is a great learning opportunity for you and maybe your family. Can't wait to see your results.